So we'll see now. You want to take another chart? I don't mind. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सिर्फ बैंक निफ्टी में ही होता है, हर जगह यही लॉजिक चलेगा।
एसबीआई देख।
हाँ चलो,
एसबीआई
एसबीआई देख। चलो
उसमें
एसबीआई।
बड़ा।
सर मैं पास डेटा लेने वाला हूँ, याद रखना, मैं करंट डेटा नहीं लेता, क्योंकि करंट डेटा में है ना, हमारे खुद के इमोशन घुसे हुए रहते हैं। न्यूट्रल डेटा लेने, और वो भी फ्यूचर लेने का, इक्विटी नहीं। यूर अ फ्यूचर ट्रेडर। ये तो बीएससी है।
तो बाय बाय वाई फ्यूचर, वाई नॉट स्पॉट?
फ्यूचर का जो इस रित से मूवमेंट आएगा ना, प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन
ओके।
आएगा प्रीमियम और
ओके।
डेल्टा के वजह से, वो
ओके।
स्पॉट पे नहीं आएगा।
ओके।
चलो मनु, तुम डेट बताओ, कौन से महीने में जाना है?
फरवरी में जाते हैं।
बोलो फरवरी में कौन सी डेट?
8 तारीख।
शादी वादी नहीं हुई ना तेरी उस दिन?
नहीं नहीं।
चलो ये 8 तारीख है, ठीक है। अभी इसके पहले का चार्ट हम गुल कर दें, राइट?
यस।
तो ये चार्ट हम यहाँ से गुल करेंगे, बिकॉज यहाँ तक हमने देख लिया। गुल हो गया, करेक्ट।
यस।
चलो आज क्या दिख रहा है पहले, थोड़ा लुक लेफ्ट करेंगे।
यस।
क्या दिख रहा है? यहाँ एक
ट्रायंगल।
सपोर्ट दिख रहा है,
यस।
Support, resistance,
यहाँ एक ट्रेंड दिख रही है,
trend line.
या
और यहाँ पे एक अच्छा खासा रेजिस्टेंस बनते दिख रहा है।
या
डू यू सी चेंज ऑफ पोलैरिटी ओवर हियर? ये सपोर्ट
यस।
बन रहा था,
Support,
रेजिस्टेंस बना दे, and they are trying to squeeze out. Do you see now
या
यस।
how easy it is if you just understand this? Correct? Is
True.
Kala there because she wanted to learn this? Kala and Pushpa, did you follow what I just did in State Bank of India?
Yeah, I understood.
Chalo, let's play now. So if this line breaks, I will go for C. And if this line breaks, I'll go for P. I'm still in 15 minutes start, not using super trend RSI or anything. It's going to be volume and trend lines. Clear?
Yeah.
So what was my track record on Bank Nifty? 80%. Now we'll
Yeah.
start again on SBIN with somewhere in February. Chalo. Jai Mata. Chalo. I already have butterflies in my stomach. Why? Because I see a lot of wicks in this chart. So target and stop loss थोड़ा बड़ा लेना पड़ेगा. हाँ, what will be the target over here and stop loss? It cannot be 100 points, na? This this is State Bank of India. So what I'll do? Simple. Bolo bolo. Who can tell me how to find target? What will I use?
ATR with the
Very
ATR.
very ATR लगा दो and इसको ऐसे स्क्वीज कर दो. अरे तेरी कुछ है ही नहीं यार इसमें. हेलो मिस्टर, मैं तो ना ट्रेड करूँ इस, ना मुन्ना ना. निफ्टी करें?
क्यों पर नहीं है इसमें?
Your favorite.
अरे इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं, इसको स्क्वीज करो देखो. ₹2 है. व्हाट टारगेट यू वांट मी टू सेट नाउ? SBIN will be fun in day, not in 15 minutes. Are you following what I'm saying?
या या
Yes. Yeah.
चलो बजाज फाइनेंस का ATR अच्छा होता है, उसको ये मतलब का है ना 26 रुपया है. I can set my 1-to-1 ratio on at least 25 points.
Yeah.
Yes.
चलो इसको यूज करें. ओके चलो इसका डेटा भी कहाँ है. अरे वाह इसने तो ऑटोमेटिक इसको कर दिया क्या. 7 अगस्त नहीं है करना पड़ेगा. 8 फरवरी. चलो 8 फरवरी से इसको हम हटा देंगे. राइट क्या करेंगे पहले. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल डू.
Look left.
Guys, could you please all answer.
Look
Look
left.
left. Look left.
Look left.
Support and resist.
Price is in a range, right?
Yeah.
So I
Yes.
can already say that this is a good point to buy and this is a good point to sell, right?
Right.
Yes.
Bas, ho gaya. If it breaks this, C. If this break this, P, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I will still make a trend.
Yeah.
I want to see the squeeze points, right? Where is it squeezing? Chalo. 25 will be the 1:1. Now see, you should not enter just because some formation is happening. Unless you know the formation. We are very clear this is a buy area, right? Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
We know this is a buy area, right? See, this whole thing is a buy. So do we have something here and
No.
something here now?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
let's observe. If it goes up, we can also take a C. Or if this breaks, we could take a P, right?
Yeah.
So let's wait. Ah, what is the sentiment here? What is the sentiment here?
Here.
Ah, what is the sentiment here?
My, such a big candle.
Sentiment का है.
Sentiment तो अभी
Here.
P का sentiment है ना नीचे जाने का. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
चलो. तो अपना ट्रेड बनता है अभी. Correct? And this is come to 65. We will do 25, right?
25.
ये तो आ गया था. छोड़ देते. नेक्स्ट क्या देखते क्या आता है.
महिपाल ये 25 कैसे लाया तुमने एटीआर का टारगेट का.
यार तुमने मेरा ट्रेड छुड़ा दिया यार. सी का ट्रेड देखो. Do you see what the market did? Same line na they took support, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So then you have to quickly enter and take the C. You understand? I had said this is a very important line, right? It's a change in polarity, correct?
Hmm.
Yes.
Agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So resistance becomes
Become
support.
support.
Support becomes.
Resistance.
So do we take this trade now or do we leave it? दोनों साइड गया है. Actually P में लॉस
Take
हुआ
the
है.
trade.
C में आया. So 1 plus and 1 minus. दोनों 0-0 हो गए. Got it?
Yeah.
See, I see one more change in polarity. दिख रहा है?
Yeah.
So this is how you make levels. You don't need to do anything else. Trade level to level. See, now it's coming down. Don't get in between the trade. Wait. Either let it come here or come here. Got it?
Yes.
ये उधर ही नाच रहा है. Let's speed it up. Now, do you see sideway totally screwing it up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So somebody asked me, now, how do you avoid sideway? This is how you avoid. See, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. ये इधर ही आया और रुक गया ना point to point.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
now look at this. This candle was exactly here. So do you understand the limit orders of algo that these players are also putting? They know exactly where to put the orders. Now, do you fear green red candle when I did this?
No. No.
But you fear when it is super trend. No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Now see, I can see a squeeze coming. See, we'll take this ahead. They're gonna squeeze them. You see now?
Yes.
So what are sellers trying to do? Push the buyers inside, right? And
Yeah.
they will try to
Yeah.
come out from here. Got it?
Yes.
Pushpa, is it helping you, not helping you? Going over the head or below the feet? Pushpa, we can't hear you. You're on mute. Okay. You see this line again getting broken? But last
Yeah.
time, these guys came from here. So lesson learned, right? We will wait till this line. Got it?
Yeah.
That's true.
मजा आ रहा है. This is beautiful. I'm telling you. This is beautiful construction of price action happening. If they break, trust me, they'll break big. See, the more squeeze, na, the better the burst. Are you understanding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
आप किसी चीज रबर को ज्यादा दबाओगे तो स्प्रिंग की तरह उछलता है ना.
Right.
सेम लॉजिक. अभी बहुत बड़ा मूव आया. And if I put Bollinger, no, Bollinger will be in squeeze mode.
Correct.
अब कितने दिन से ट्रेड नहीं आया देखो. Do you see? आया आया
आया
ये बात.
आया
28 8 तारीख से बैठे हैं भूखे नंगे की तरह. भाई ट्रेड दे दे 28 को दिया इसने. And this doesn't happen in Bank Nifty. That's why I only trade in Bank Nifty. Because in Bank Nifty now the price action changes rapidly. Short over here.
yeah
Yeah.
How many points?
25.
24.
Kala, you were asking, no? You just have to move
How
this.
I got-
Got it? Miss Kala. Mrs. Kala.
yes No, I was asking is why 25? You did something with the ATR and then you came to know.
One
no?
minute. Did
25.
we achieve our target?
Yes.
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 You have to apply ATR and check, no, Kala. You'll get the answer.
Hmm. Okay. Wow.
Bye bye.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Now CE
Wow.
comes here
Entry. Yeah.
only if the trend is broken, not this line. This is the line.
Yeah.
See? How smart.
Squeezing.
But
Squeeze.
see, they are following this. You see the trap?
Yeah.
They bring here so that people again short it. But if you know the principle, it will only go up now. Why? Because it is forming a lower low, na?
Squeeze. Yeah.
दिख रहा है अभी?
Yeah.
What is this called?
It is
Lower low.
squeezing the price, no, in a corner. ये अंदर घुसा रहा है इसके.
But this last line, what you've drawn,
Is a trend line, upside trend line.
New.
upside. Okay.
Lower lows को touch किया ना मैंने.
हाँ. Hmm.
So this trend line is broken, but we were not trading
Yep.
on this trend line, right?
Hmm.
We
Yeah.
are continuing with this. See how strongly they are using this. कहाँ गया डेटा? नीचे ऊपर तो नहीं आया.
ऊपर जा रहा.
Wait. Don't get excited. Is it respecting the trend line?
Yes.
Yes.
Why?
Wow.
Because they are also trading as per.
Price action.
Price
Ah.
action.
समझा करो. यहीं पे सब होगा. फिबोनाची भी आएगा. सब एक ही जगह. Is
Allah.
this our short break? This point, this line
P.
P,
Yes.
na?
Yes.
हाँ.
30 points लेते हैं.
E.
Target achieve?
Yes.
Yes.
चलो खेल खत्म.